Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. The drone community is still abuzz with anticipation as rumors and leaks continue to swirl around the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro. This highly anticipated compact drone is poised to captivate both hobbyists and professionals alike, promising to elevate the Mini series to new heights. With its blend of advanced features and signature portability, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game changer. So, let's delve into the latest updates, rumors, and specifications that have the drone world buzzing. Industry insiders and drone enthusiasts are eagerly eyeing September 2024 as the potential launch date for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This prediction aligns seamlessly with DJI's established product cycle, which typically introduces new iterations of popular models annually. While the Mini 4 Pro was undoubtedly impressive, it fell short of meeting the high expectations set by its predecessor. The September 2024 timeline provides DJI with ample opportunity to address user feedback and integrate advanced technologies, ensuring that the Mini 5 Pro delivers a substantial leap forward. One of the most tantalizing rumors surrounding the Mini 5 Pro is its enhanced obstacle avoidance system. Reliable sources from popular drone forums suggest that DJI is actively working on integrating a comprehensive 360-degree obstacle detection system into this compact drone. This cutting-edge technology, previously reserved for larger, more expensive models, would utilize a combination of visual, infrared, and ultrasonic sensors to create a detailed three-dimensional map of the drone's surroundings. At the heart of the Mini 5 Pro's anticipated success lies its camera system. Drone enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating the possibility of a 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in its predecessors. This larger sensor isn't merely a numbers game. It promises to revolutionize image quality with enhanced dynamic range. Scenes with both bright highlights and deep shadows will be captured with stunning clarity. Additionally, low-light performance is expected to see a dramatic boost, enabling pilots to capture the magic of twilight or dimly lit urban landscapes without the grainy noise that often plagues such shots. Furthermore, whispers of 4K video at 60 frames per second have professional videographers excited. Such a feature would elevate the Mini 5 Pro from a hobbyist's toy to a serious tool in a filmmaker's kit, all while maintaining its signature compact design. Storage woes have long been a thorn in the side of drone pilots. The Mini 4 Pro's meager 2 GB of internal storage often forced users into a frustrating dance of constant media transfers, disrupting their creative flow. DJI seems to have heard these complaints loud and clear. For the Mini 5 Pro, there's a strong call for at least 8 GB of onboard storage. This quadruple capacity isn't just a nice-to-have, it's seen as essential. With more space, pilots can stay in the zone, capturing extended sequences or high-quality stills without the nagging worry of running out of space. It's about maintaining focus on the art, not the technicalities. Battery life, the eternal challenge in drone design, is another area where the Mini 5 Pro is expected to make strides. Despite the fanfare around the Mini 4 Pro's Intelligent Battery Plus, real-world flight times didn't quite match the hype. Now, there's a clear demand for the Mini 5 Pro to push battery technology further, aiming for a solid 40 minutes of flight time per charge. This isn't just about numbers, it's about freedom. An extra 10 minutes in the air means more opportunities to explore, more chances to nail that perfect shot, and less anxiety about the battery indicator. It's about giving pilots the confidence to venture further and stay aloft longer, transforming how they approach their aerial artistry. As drone prices continue to climb, consumers are raising their expectations in tandem. The Mini 5 Pro, likely to be priced between $700 to $800, isn't just competing on cost, it's setting a new bar for value. At this price point, the drone community isn't asking. They're demanding a larger sensor with superior dynamic range. Expanded storage isn't a bonus, it's a necessity. Extended battery life isn't a wish, it's a requirement. In a market teeming with options, these aren't just features that would make the Mini 5 Pro stand out. They're the minimum standards it must meet to even be considered. So, what do you think? Are you as excited as we are about the potential of the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.